Hi everyone, welcome to Statistics Bio 7 YouTube channel. I am Mohanathan Hari. If you like our channel videos, please click the subscription button and support to me. Join to the channel membership. Let's go to today video. Today we will discuss how to draw a horizontal alluvial plot in the OriginPro software. This is for the data set in the horizontal alluvial plot. The first one for the we take the surveyed one for the lived and the death. Next one for the sex for the male and the female. Okay, the concentration. Third one for the concentration. Concentration we take the drugs for the 5%, 10%, 15%, 20% and the 25%. Okay, the next one for the last one for the D column is the count for the total animal. The 78 for the male is a living animal and the female is a the live for male animal 78 and the death for the female animals the 22. The next for the female the male 78 and the death for the 22 and the female this 5% concentration the live in the 85 or the death the male female for the 15. Okay, now the how to draw a horizontal alluvial plot in the OriginPro software. Okay, select the whole the data, go to the plot menu, go to the categorical and select the alluvial. Okay, now the create for the this horizontal now the create for the alluvial plot. How to change the horizontal method. Okay, go to the graph menu and go to the change exchange for the y-axis. Okay, now the change the graph. Okay, now the adjust for the graph, the page fit page to the layer, then click the OK button. Okay, they fit the graph. Okay, now the customized for the horizontal alluvial plot in the OriginPro software. The double click or the right click for the graph. Okay, they open the new tab for the plot details. In the plot properties, go to the node menu. Okay, go to the node with the 6%. This is for the node, this is an 6%, so change to the 0. Okay, then apply button. This is a node for the 0, the line only. The border thickness change to the 4. Okay, then border is a 4. The next one for the link for the change to the color of the horizontal alluvial plot. Okay, the specified color column, this is index color in the column. Select the button. Okay, this is for the single one color or the biplots and the biplots. Okay, now the standard for the bipans color, this is for color list. Select for the click for the color list to choose the color one. I choose for the candy or bold. Okay, then apply. Okay, change the color. If you like the any color, choose any color. Okay, the color change. If you any color choose. Okay, this is a index standard for the COA surveyed, so the no changes. Change the color. Okay, now the change the color. Okay, the next one for the transparency. This is for the standard in the transparency. We adjust the mouse 70, then apply the transparency. Increase it, the graph is dull. Okay, 0. This is highly concentrated. Okay, the next one for the adjust in the gravity, then apply. Okay, then apply, choose the standard. Okay, the next one for the label, this is a label column. Okay, now the select to the total value checkbox, click the total value checkbox. The next one for the outside node, the label for the outside of the node, so outsides of the node, then also the total value also change to the outsides of node, then apply. Okay, the node change to the outside. The next to outside of the node positions, change to the half top, half bottom. Select this one. Okay, then apply. Change to the half bottom and half top of the node. Okay, the next one, change to the font size. Okay, change font, Time Roman, then 14, then click the apply bold, then apply. Okay, change the font and the font size. The next one, for the total of the value, this is for the total of value for the 220 animal, the 200, and the family female 500, male 500. This is a total value. Okay, the total value change to the percentage. Okay, then apply. This is a percentage, 50%, 50%. Okay, this is the died animal for the 55% and live animal for the 45%. Okay, if you want the percentage and the total count, change the total count value. Okay, the count and the percentage, change this one, then apply. Okay, now the change for the total count and the percentage value. Choose a percentage value. Okay, then click the bold. Okay, then click the apply button. This is for the horizontal alluvial plot in the OriginPro. Now how to export the quality graph in the horizontal alluvial plot. Okay, go to the file menu and go to the export graph and open the dialog. Open the new tab for export graph. Okay, JPG image type for change to JPG. Okay, the file name enter to the horizontal level. Next, change locations. Click the change to the location, save to the locations. File path, click the button. Okay, choose the horizontal alluvial plot, then the OK button. Okay, next for the DPI, this is a resolution. If you want the more high resolution, choose the 1200. If you the normal quality, choose the 150 or 100. If you are the standard for the 300, I choose the standard graph. Okay, the width of the pixel 3891 and highest the pixels height pixel for the 2855. Then click the OK button. Okay, now our graph to export. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our video, please click the subscription button and support to me, join to the channel membership. If you need doubt, leave me comments in the comment box. I will help you. Thank you.